Hi guys, my name's Claudius and welcome to Villa Moonshadow. Now this villa is very special. We're gonna get inside, we're gonna take a look. Indoor, outdoor living, wide expansive spaces. It's a 5-bedroom villa located on the hillside overlooking the sunsets in Chalk Sound. Come on in, let's take a look. So here we are inside Villa Moonshadow. As soon as you come through the door, we've got this wide open space. We've got a kitchen, dining area here, and there's just really a ton of room to congregate and a ton of room to hang out. We're gonna get into that indoor-outdoor living section in a little bit, but first I wanna talk about the bedrooms. As I mentioned, this is a 5-bedroom villa. So starting with the master bedroom over here on my right is a master bedroom. It's a king bed with ensuite bathroom and shower, his and her sinks. This bedroom here is the only bedroom that's gonna have its own private access out to the pool deck. We'll take a look at that a little bit later. The second master is just off to my left here. Again, king bed. The bathroom is kind of shared as a Jack and Jill, but you can close this door and open the bedroom door and make it an ensuite. Just right across the hallway here, we've got essentially the 3rd bedroom. There's gonna be 2 single beds in there with an ensuite bathroom, large closet, as well as television as well. One thing I'll mention is that all of the bedrooms actually have their own TV. What we're gonna do now is come here, go up the stairs, and up top here to my left is the essentially 3rd master, so another king bedroom, ensuite bathroom. This bedroom here has a window that opens up and looks out over Sapodilla Bay, which is actually, Taylor Bay, which is actually a great spot for breeze first thing in the morning. Nice little place to lounge and have a cup of coffee. You come out on the right-hand side, we've got the final bedroom, the 5th bedroom. Now that one does not have a bathroom, but it is a queen bed with its own television. Again, that one has a view over of Taylor Bay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a walk. We're gonna go over into the kind of the living room area, the lounge area, and take a look at that space. It's an amazing space. So here we are in the living room. This is actually one of my favorite spots of this entire house. Essentially, this steps off the dining area, steps off the kitchen, and looks out over the water. Now, all of these doors, they open up sort of accordion style, and I'll show you how that works. So essentially what we do is we're gonna unlock here, pop this one open, and this slides out, push this down, and it all opens up. So once we get these all open, you have a covered indoor space, and obviously you have the fans and the lighting indoors here, but you have, like the fresh air, fresh breeze coming in from the outside. Now in the evenings, if there are bugs flying around, all we do, just pull this little screen across, and you're good to go. So again, this is one of my kind of favorite spots. It's the kind of area where you can just kind of turn off the ACs, you open this up, you get a nice cool breeze coming in, you can essentially just sit right here in the living room and watch the sunset. It's an amazing spot. From here, what we're gonna do, take a walk out to the pool deck and see how that looks out there. So here we are out on the pool deck. We've got 8 chase lounges out here, so tons of seating space, endless views looking out over the sunset, as well as some additional seating over here. So if you want to come out here and have breakfast or have coffee, then it's an amazing spot for that. We've got a swimming pool that runs from literally a foot down to 4.5 feet, and you can sit in the swimming pool. The glass railings allow you to look right out over the water. It's an amazing spot to relax and congregate. Now, one of the big features here is we've got our propane barbecue grill, and if you get tired of burgers and steaks, you've got your own private pizza oven. So feel free to kind of, do up your own custom pizzas, your own specialty pizzas, and really and truly you can kind of eat it out here and have a dinner outside. It's an amazing spot. From here, we're gonna take a walk down and look at the what we call the man cave, which is a lower kind of observation deck area. It's also a great spot, like it's kind of a bar area. Most people will hang out there, get their drinks, and watch the sunset. So we'll walk down and we'll take a look at it. So here we are downstairs in the man cave. Now this is actually a prime spot to hang out and watch the sunset. We've got ice machines, we've got a drink fridge down here, toaster oven, a little stove top if you want to do like some hors d'oeuvres or some finger foods or heat something up. But essentially this space is designed around this deck. So these doors open up, you got tons of seating here, you got a little bar area there that's aimed exactly where you need to be pointing for the sunset. From here, there's a deck that you go further down the stairs down to the deck area, the waterfront, where you'll find the kayaks, all essentially laid out for you to kayak around You can actually kayak right around the point here to Taylor Bay as well. Just keep an eye on the tides and what's happening there. But an amazing spot to hang out, an amazing spot to relax and end the day with your loved ones. Once again, my name is Claudius. I'm with Blue Heron Vacations. Please feel free to visit us online at www.blueherontci.com. You can also email me at claudius@blueherontci.com or give me a call at 649-232-3901. We'll see you again soon.